हे दोस्तों। तो इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे कि नंदी हिल का ट्रैक क्यों करना है, कब करना है और कैसे करना है। तो एंड तक देखिए, यू विल नो एवरीथिंग नीडेड टू डू दिस ट्रैक। हे फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग।
गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स।
अभी बज रहे हैं रात के 3-5। हम जा रहे हैं कोई एक छोटा सा 2 किलोमीटर का ट्रैक करने। मैं कार्तिक, अतुल, सचिन, ऐश्वर्या।
तो
तो
फ्रेंड्स,
फ्रेंड्स मिलते हैं पहले सचिन के पास जाकर, फिर
हे अतुल इन कार्तिक कुछ बोलोगे? अबे ये कैसे इग्नोर है? ये यार, we have Sachin waiting for us. अरे खोलो ना। Hi Sachin, good morning. Hi. Say hi in my blog, Sachin. So guys, we have finally reached the base of Nandi Trek. See how scary is it?
Sachin, you by any chance you have cotton or something?
See this man trying to shoot. तैयारी जीत की।
Find another umbrella, right?
Sachin, if rain comes, umbrella won't work.
Won't work, no?
Yeah.
Sachin, umbrella would be destroyed, Sachin.
It's better to keep it here only. We won't be able to handle. It's windy, na?
It would be very windy. No, we have two, right? Two is fine, na?
No, I have one big one and one small one inside.
Give it to me. That's
But
that's bring
I'll
it.
hold it. It's
It's
fine.
too windy.
तू ले लेना कार्तिक you hold any of those things.
Yeah, give it to me. I'll hold it.
I'll keep it in the bag. Put it.
Sachin, what is the battery backup of this?
Huh?
Battery backup of
It's
this?
good with that high power, no?
Yes.
by the time sun comes, huh?
Base of Nandi Trek. I will have to do a voiceover. So guys, we have finally started.
Don't go too fast. Remember this old man also.
Oh, sorry.
Lady behind you. I don't want to drive.
So guys, हम हैं लगभग स्टार्ट ही किया है। ट्रैक ज़्यादा बड़ा ट्रैक नहीं होने वाला, लेकिन स्लिपरी है। लाइक इट्स स्लिपरी गाइस समवेयर, जस्ट बी कॉशियस, इट्स स्लिपरी समवेयर। ये क्या कर दिया भाई इन्होंने?
ये क्या कर रहा है भाई?
सब ब्लॉक कर दिया भाई ने। हमने ऊपर दिखा ना, काफी रोमांचक और मनोरंजक। ये
It can run for longer time with high power.
इट कैन
Big, so I didn't get it.
Oh.
It would have helped with your videos.
No, it looks good only. Even like 4 or 5 people will view it, so it's fine only. And even like it is watched by my mother only 4 or 5 times.
Your mother knows that your friend.
Yeah, she knows, like even you, Antara, Atul, Karthik, Jay, and now she knows Isha too. Isha was in last video na. अभी बज रहे हैं रात के 4, 4:30। हमें पहुंचना है ऊपर तक 5:30 तक, तभी हमें मिलेगा सनराइज। और a suggestion to those who are planning to come here, wear some shoes with the grip. यहाँ से कोई जानवर भी आ सकता है रात में, सो ऊपर वाले को याद रखें। सो गाइस, हम लगभग 250 मीटर चल चुके हैं और ये सिर्फ सीढ़ियाँ ही सीढ़ियाँ हैं पूरे ट्रैक पर, सिर्फ सीढ़ियाँ। लेकिन ट्रैक इज़ गुड, रात में करने के लिए बहुत प्यारा है। अकेले ना आए, बहुत स्लिपरी है रास्ता क्योंकि यहाँ बारिश हो रही है डेली, तो ग्रिप वाले शूज़ पहने। और पूरा रास्ता काफ़ी डरावना है, पूरा खाली पड़ा है। Okay, bye. We have some senior citizens with us, so we have to wait for them. Not that senior. See, two of these are managers. Sachin used to be my manager, the pool manager, and the lady behind him is Aishwarya, second coolest manager. So guys, after covering 10 kilometers of our track, this is the condition.
Not even 1 kilometer. Says that I need more preparation.
Yes. Atul was right yesterday.
About what?
We didn't choose like any.
I'll
You not choose any
prove him
good track.
wrong after some days.
I would love to
Even
be wrong.
Karthik is having bad cardio. Karthik,
Yes, yeah.
ऐसे दिखाओ ना.
It's not the cardio. Legs.
Even
I
cardio.
don't have enough strength of legs.
Atul, say something. Say something, na.
Cheese.
I don't have anything.
Cheese. Guys, the track is good enough, like decent enough. They have some.
Sit here if you want.
No.
Or maybe I can sleep here till the waste of time.
Oh, Nandi is there. Nandi Maharaj is there. Take some blessings and come.
Okay. Have you guys taken blessings? Okay. Direct contact. Guys, अभी 5-6 घंटे पहले मैंने निहारी खाई थी, तो वही बर्न करने के लिए मैं ट्रैक करने आ गया. आप लोगों को भी ऐसे ही करना चाहिए. खाओ ज़्यादा, पचाओ ज़्यादा. कुछ भी खाओ, लेकिन वर्कआउट आफ्टर दैट, एज आवर लॉर्ड रवि किशन सेड. क्या कहा है रवि किशन ने?
Workout more. Always choose workout. Result follows, brother.
Okay. You got it from Ravi Bhai itself. Huh? What happened? Pause. Okay. So guys, one suggestion: whenever you come to a track, try to take people who are ready to do a track, who are prepared to do a track. So guys, I would like to recommend this track to you all, those who are watching. 4-5 people, come here often. It's refreshing. It will give you a reality check, like, are you fit enough to go this steep, like 45 to 50 degrees. So it's good, and it's nearby Bangalore only, just 60 kilometers from the Koramangala and all.
Are you guys coming?
So it's good. Come here often. It's good. Too refreshing. We were the first one came here, but we waited for other guys to come because it was all dark. So we let the other guys go first. They are just around 30 meters ahead of us. And it's good. See, we saw a real man standing here. इंसान मिल गए हमें finally. Karthik, the main idea to do this trek is to witness the sunrise from Nandi Hills. Let's see if we will be able to make it. I have a tripod to shoot the sunrise. I'm trying to make a good quality content, but I need to learn storytelling and all. So let's go. बजा लो ना ये गाना जंगल, थोड़ा सा बजा लो, अच्छा लगेगा आप लोगों को. काफी अच्छा माहौल है. ये बीच बीच में रेस्ट करने के लिए मुसाफिर खाने बना रखे हैं इन्होंने. पहाड़ वहाड़ दिखने लगे. काफी पहाड़ है, मतलब अपने जहाँ रहते हैं हम वहाँ से 60 किलोमीटर दूर. इतना अच्छा व्यू है, फिर भी आप लोग यहाँ नहीं आ रहे, तो आप वहाँ रह क्यों रहे हैं? हाँ, अतुल आओ, तुम बोल दो जो भी आए. चौक वो प्रोटीन बार्स वगैरह ले आए, एनर्जी ड्रिंक ले आए, घेवर खा आए इंस्टेंट एनर्जी के लिए, घेवर इज जरूरी। और हमें लग रहा था कि ठंड होगी सुबह,
हाँ गाइस,
जरा भी
घेवर के
ठंड-
साथ
जरा-
हमने विमल भी खाया है।
जरा भी ठंड नहीं, हमें तो गर्मी लग रही है, स्वेटिंग हो रही है पूरी बॉडी पे। तो हमें ऐसा लग रहा है कि हमने कुछ तो वसूल कर लिया जिंदगी में। आज पहली बार बेंगलोर में रहने का फायदा महसूस हो रहा है।
झूठा है भाई ये।
What happened?
पिज्जा,
Pizza?
चीज बर्गर।
See,
Like see guys,
some food which I don't eat.
see guys, she used to have pizza and burger. Now you know the condition. Now you know the condition. So eat healthy, stay healthy.
Cheese pizza, man. Good fat. छोले कुलचे।
Avoid chole kulche, bhature chole, bole
Have
chature.
pani puri, guys, once a week. Vada pav.
Vada pav, हाँ, yes. Just have roasted chicken, roasted fish, high protein stuff, high protein milk, high protein bread. और हाँ, एक चीज और मैं कन्फेस करना चाहता हूँ कि मैं
अबे नीचे इसको कवर कर भाई।
क्या है, लकड़ी है भाई।
चीज है भाई।
एक चीज और मैं कन्फेस करने वाला था, लोग आ गए थे तो मैं थोड़ा नर्वस हो गया। कार्तिक हटो यार, तुम्हारा गलत स्ट्रीम आ रहा है इसमें। तो मैं अपने गांव का पहला ऐसा व्यक्ति बन चुका हूँ जिसने एवोकाडो सैंडविच ट्राई किया है। अतुल, तुम क्या कहोगे इस बारे में? नहीं, तुमने भी तो ट्राई किया ना एवोकाडो सैंडविच, क्या कहोगे? I guess we chose the correct day to do this trek. It's too windy, the weather is good, like getting better, and see the view, the breathtaking view of the city. I don't know the guys. They have put a board with some warnings for people like Atul, those who come to mountains and ride there. Atul loves this, Atul loves that. So don't do that.
Do not go by your instincts.
Guys, we have found one biggest animal on planet Earth, which is here. Woo! All mist everywhere. My phone battery has come down to 40. I have a power bank with me, brother. Power bank with me. घने घने जंगल, घने जंगलों से गुजरते हुए जहाँ लोग कम पाए जाते हैं, प्लस मजा आ गया, कोई बात नहीं बनी। This is Tipu Fort. Yes, now we reach finally, I guess.
From here you need to do little climbing.
No, I've been here like last time I came till here. I remember. Like not from these stairs, like from I came from that side
That's what.
and checked. Oh, it started raining. Nice.
Not raining.
It's mist.
Mist from the trees.
Oh, nice. So this is a place where Tipu Sultan used to come for
Summer vacation.
summer vacation. Summer house of Tipu Sultan. I will let you explore through my video on all.
I'm just
These things.
guessing. It may not be Tipu Fort.
Yeah, it is. I've seen. Not this one. There is one.
There is one.
Yeah.
But of the
You can witness the view of Meghalaya here in Bangalore. Like nearby Bangalore, not in Bangalore. See the mist through the trees. Looks too good, too soothing. too peaceful. Really love it, like it. Woohoo! Cheesecake boy.
I'm standing up, so it's difficult on the phone.
Hey friends, we have finally reached Tipu Sultan's summer house, one of the greatest freedom fighter of India.
Yeah.
Here it is. ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं है, छोटा सा ही है टीपू भाई का घर, लेकिन it's good. Yeah, like there are paragliding we can do, man. Huh? What do you think?
Sunrise.
Okay. We are chasing sunrise. Let's see if we will be able to make it. Like we won't be able to see the sunrise since it's too misty, but we will try.
Oh my God, I video.
Here, but not
Now I'm doubting myself. Is it the correct way to peak? So guys, we have finally reached the top of Nandi Hills.
झूठ बोल रहा है गाइस अभी भी
It's not almost
step
top.
बचे हैं।
I'm
Yeah.
looking like having to don't to me.
Right, this is the sunrise point. Try to find the sun if you can. Here we can find like multiple cafes. You have tea, food chaat, and some breakfast and all. Come on, come. If Alok ji will see the video, he will say you should have asked.
All turn right side, no?
Turn right side, then give a charu pose. 3, 2, 1, turn.
अरे ये तो गलत हो गया भाई
दोबारा. Finally, we witnessed already rise the sun. Like we didn't see a sunrise and already rise sun. Good.
तो जैसा कि दोस्त आप लोग देख सकते हैं अब हम लोग पहाड़ से नीचे उतर रहे हैं तो हमने 5,500 सीढ़ियाँ उतर चुके हैं और 15,000 सीढ़ियाँ बाकी हैं हमें करीब 3.5 घंटा लगेगा उतरने में क्योंकि हमारे पैर पूरे जवाब दे चुके हैं
और ये जो उतरने वाला रास्ता है काफी स्लिपरी है.
हाँ तो हमें और भी ज़्यादा ध्यान से उतरना पड़ रहा है तो
What
जिसकी वजह से समय जा रहा है
What would you like to suggest for those
समय
who are willing to
जाया
come
जा
here?
रहा है हाँ
थोड़े ग्रिप वाले जूते पहनकर आए अगर इस मौसम में आना है.
ब्रिंग
क्योंकि
लॉट ऑफ वाटर्स
नॉट
लॉट
लॉट
ऑफ
ऑफ
वाटर
वाटर ज्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा ग्रिप वाले जूते हो और रात में ट्रैक करना है तो टॉर्च तो मैंने पहले बता ही दिया है.
and it's
बाकी
better if you carry a good stick
हाँ, stick will be really
bring your
helpful.
own stick
Bring your own stick.
like you bring your own key in IBM cloud
ठीक. प्रमोशन हो गया in front of manager. We'll get now hike.
3% more
This is what all we got na. So
people
See
are
this
trying to mingle with
lush
us.
green
Just wanted
forest. Like it stays through these lush green forest. It's really good.
some stranger people are trying to be featured in our blog but we have already said without paid collaboration we can't do anything so for that
कुछ भी दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था जब हम ऊपर आ रहे थे. अब देखो कितना प्यारा व्यू दिख रहा है ना. क्लाउड्स लाइक हाउ स्काई इज बीइंग सेपरेटेड बाय क्लाउड्स. नीचे ग्रीनरी बीच में बस्ती, इधर पर्वत, सब कुछ विटनेस कर लिया। मजा आ गया, मजा। So guys, we have finally completed the trek. We have reached the downhill. It's just 15 more steps to go. So overall experience, it was good. I will rate it like we did not spend much time. We started from 3, completed 9. Will reach at our place by 11 at most. So 9 to 11. Oh, sorry, 3 to 11 is 8 hours. 8 hours is worth it. Too worth it. It was really nice one. So you all can come. Till then, Allah Hafiz, Tada, bye bye, Shabba Khair. ठीक है?
So, friend, just quick information about this track. Try to reach here by 4:30 a.m. You will be able to reach the top by 6:30. There is no ticket needed. And one more thing, like when you go to Nandi Hills by the normal route via car, it's just opposite of that, this base track point. That's all. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Bye bye.